Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video guys. This evening, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna try the sunflower bread guys. As you can see guys, yeah. You can use a toaster and if you're not on a toaster, you can put a pot on the fire said way and warm it. You understand me already, but what am I gonna do? I'm gonna put my pot on the fire guys, warm it, and I'm gonna eat it with peanut butter guys. This is the first time I try it, so I'm making a swag one guys. Sunflower bread guys. Guys, man, I couldn't know what I'm going. Soon come back, guys.
Yeah, guys, so I warm up the bread. You understand now? You can see the heater come out of the bread, guys. And guys, see my peanut butter. Yeah, so guys, this is the first time, so I'm gonna try it and I couldn't know what I'm going. Overs.
Yeah, guys, so this is my sunflower bread sandwich. Guys, I never eat sunflower bread before. First time I go try it. I'm gonna try it with peanut butter. Over this must bad. Me not lie if you tell you, 'cause you can't see the whole heap of a green them we make the bread. You understand me? The sunflower seed. We make the bread, you can see it inside of it. So guys, be a badness, you know. I'm out.